Hey there, this is Sumababu, artist behind palettelife. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Janmashtami to one and all. Today I came with an interesting topic, jewelry making. We will see how to make this necklace and these earrings. That too with air dry clay. Let's see the process. Let's get started.
Air dry clay is primarily a water-based product, which is popular for beginner craft projects. The best thing about air dry clay is you don't need an oven to harden this clay. Depending upon your project, this clay will fully set in 1 or 2 days. Our project is really easy to make. Just roll out some clay, cut out a circle using bottle caps or with cookie cutters. I am drawing outlines using a wooden skewer and poke a hole in the top with the skewer and let it dry. Next, we have to make some clay beads. You can use ready-made beads also. Here we need different shaped beads for this project. It is simple and fun to make. They make great statement jewelry. Once your clay is completely dry, you can apply paint directly to the surface. Acrylic paints work really well, but try not to apply too much in one go. After the piece has been colored, it will need to get varnished. Air dry clay is not waterproof. You want a sturdy varnish that will hold up everything. That's it. Our jewelry set is ready. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. See you soon with another interesting video. Stay healthy and happy crafting.